welcome to thecreativeme.com. I'm Brett Petway, and I am here this week to inspire you to draw and journal at thecreativeme.com. And let's see, I have my little notes here. When you draw a drawing, you remain anonymous, and I share on Facebook and Twitter, and I also share 10 cents a drawing to Compassion International for helping kids and moms in need. And I also have an archive page that you can check out all the different drawings for each inspiration. This inspiration is Share a Dream, Heaven is Real. And this happened to be during Mother's Day, the week of Mother's Day. And so a beautiful being connected in with the dolphins and the connection to mothers and kids, and she connected into the dolphin and the baby dolphin. So it was about connection, and so I'm asking you this week, how are you connected to yourself and to your loved ones in your life and your friends? And I inspire you to come and draw and journal at thecreativeme.com and share with us from your heart, your truth and your love and your connection to maybe your kiddos, to your friends, to your spirit, to God, to Jesus, and make it real. Yeah. You can also join me at Facebook. The Creative Me has a Facebook page, and Brett Petway Inspiration Maker is a Facebook page. And I'm also on Twitter, Brett Petway. So yeah, join us. Have a good week. Bye-bye.